Ever wondered how the latest innovations in AI can transform your digital experience? Today, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge development tools that are reshaping how we create AI agents, develop modern GUIs, and revolutionize search functionalities. From LangGraph's intricate conversation graphs to Noi's AI-powered browsing, join us as we explore the most trending dev tools on GitHub this week. Get ready to unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency in your projects. Number 1. LangGraph. Building AI agents with cycles or graphs. In the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, LangGraph emerges as a groundbreaking library designed to construct stateful chatbots and intelligent assistants. Developed by LangChain AI, this tool revolutionizes the way we envision conversational AI, offering a more dynamic and interactive user experience. Unlike traditional linear conversation models, LangGraph introduces a sophisticated approach by managing multi-step interactions and integrating seamlessly with LangChain for text generation and comprehension. LangGraph is inspired by the principles of Preagle and Apache Beam, adopting a graph-based framework to manage conversations. This innovative structure allows for the creation of chatbots that can navigate through complex dialogues, remember past interactions, and loop back to previous points in the conversation, thus mimicking a more human-like interaction pattern. By organizing chatbot logic as a network of nodes and connections, developers can craft intricate conversation flows that are not just linear but cyclical, enhancing the chatbot's ability to engage users in deeper, more meaningful exchanges. Despite its promising features, LangGraph presents a learning curve, particularly for those new to LangChain or unfamiliar with network-based conversational models. It may be considered overkill for developers looking to implement straightforward chatbots for basic tasks. Additionally, the community around LangGraph, while growing, is still relatively small compared to more established chatbot frameworks, which could pose challenges in finding support and resources. Documentation, while available, may require enhancement to lower the entry barrier for new users. Conclusion: LangGraph stands out as a potent tool for developers aiming to push the boundaries of conversational AI by enabling more complex, memory-aware chatbots that can engage in multi-step conversations. It opens new avenues for creating smart assistants that can truly understand and remember user interactions. While it may not suit all projects, especially those requiring simple chatbot functionalities, its innovative approach to conversation management marks a significant step forward in the development of AI-driven communication tools. As the project matures and the community around it grows, LangGraph is poised to become a key player in the evolution of chatbot technology. Number 2. Deno, a modern twist on JavaScript development. Deno, created by the original developer of NuxtJS, Ryan Dahl, offers a fresh and secure take on server-side JavaScript execution, aimed at addressing the shortcomings of Node.js. Deno is a runtime environment that emphasizes security, module management, and developer productivity. With its unique features and design philosophy, Deno is rapidly gaining attention in the JavaScript community as a viable alternative to Node.js. One of the standout features of Deno is its secure execution environment. Unlike Node.js, Deno executes code in a sandbox, meaning scripts run with limited access to the system unless explicit permissions are granted. This design choice drastically reduces the risk of malicious code affecting the system, making Deno a safer option for running unknown or third-party scripts. Deno takes a novel approach to dependency management. Furthermore, Deno caches downloaded modules, ensuring that dependencies are only fetched once and can be used offline afterward. TypeScript has become increasingly popular for developing large-scale JavaScript applications due to its type safety and modern features. Deno provides first-class support for TypeScript, compiling it directly without the need for additional tooling. This built-in support encourages developers to adopt TypeScript, leading to more robust and maintainable codebases. Deno ships with a comprehensive standard library, covering functionalities ranging from file system operations to networking. The library is carefully curated to be secure and consistent, offering a reliable set of tools for common tasks. By providing a rich standard library, Deno aims to reduce the reliance on third-party modules, which can be a source of security vulnerabilities. Conclusion: Deno represents a significant evolution in the JavaScript runtime environment, offering enhanced security, simplified dependency management, and robust TypeScript support. Its approach to module resolution and the emphasis on a secure standard library set it apart from Node.js. While the transition to Deno may require some adjustment, its benefits, particularly in terms of security and developer experience, make it an attractive option for modern JavaScript development. As the ecosystem continues to grow, Deno is poised to become a major player in the server-side JavaScript landscape. Number 3. MAUI by .NET, simplifying cross-platform app development. The .NET Multi-Platform App UI, MAUI, is Microsoft's latest framework designed to simplify the process of developing cross-platform applications using a single code base. With MAUI, developers can create applications for Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android without the need to learn platform-specific programming languages or UI technologies. This advancement represents a significant leap in cross-platform development, promising to boost productivity and streamline app deployment across various platforms. MAUI offers a unified development experience by leveraging the power of .NET 6 and beyond, providing developers with a single project structure and set of tools to target multiple platforms. One of the key strengths of MAUI is its ability to render native UI components on each platform, ensuring that apps not only look the part, but also perform optimally. This native integration extends beyond just the UI, allowing developers to access platform-specific APIs and features, ensuring that applications can fully leverage the capabilities of the underlying platform. Whether it's utilizing hardware acceleration on iOS devices or integrating with Windows-specific services, MAUI provides the flexibility to maximize app performance and user experience. MAUI is designed with modern development practices in mind, supporting popular architectural patterns such as Model View, View Model, MVVM, for building scalable and maintainable applications. The framework also promotes the use of asynchronous programming, data binding, and dependency injection, further enhancing code quality and application performance. Conclusion: MAUI by .NET marks a significant milestone in cross-platform app development, offering developers a powerful framework to build applications that run natively across multiple platforms from a single codebase. With its focus on performance, native UI, and developer productivity, MAUI stands out as a compelling choice for anyone looking to develop modern, cross-platform applications. As the framework continues to evolve, it is poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of app development. Number 4. Nux.js, accelerating Vue.js development. Nux.js emerges as a powerful framework designed to simplify and enhance the development of Vue.js applications. By providing a structured framework out of the box, Nux.js streamlines the process of building fast, modern web applications, including single-page applications, SPAs, server-side rendered, SSR applications, or statically generated sites. Let's dive into what makes Nux.js a game-changer in the Vue.js ecosystem. Nux.js introduces a conventional project structure, saving developers from the hassle of setting up and configuring their Vue.js projects from scratch. This structure not only accelerates the development process, but also ensures consistency across different projects. With Nux.js, you get a well-defined directory structure for your pages, components, and static assets, along with automatic routing based on the file system, significantly reducing the boilerplate code required to get a project off the ground. A standout feature of Nux.js is its built-in support for server-side rendering, which is pivotal for SEO and improving the performance of web applications. SSR ensures that pages are rendered on the server and delivered to the client as fully rendered HTML, making the content more accessible to search engines and improving load times for users. This is particularly beneficial for applications that rely heavily on dynamic content, as it bridges the gap between the SEO-friendly nature of traditional websites and the interactivity of SPAs. Moreover, Nux.js supports automatic code splitting, ensuring that only the necessary code is loaded for each page, further optimizing application performance. Conclusion: Nux.js stands out as an invaluable tool for Vue.js developers looking to boost their productivity and build high-quality web applications with minimal effort. By abstracting away the complexities of application configuration and offering out-of-the-box solutions for common development challenges, Nux.js not only enhances the development experience but also ensures that applications are fast, SEO-friendly, and maintainable. Whether you're building a simple SPA, a complex SSR application, or a static site, Nux.js offers the flexibility and tools needed to succeed in the modern web landscape. Number 5. TinyRDM, revolutionizing Redis management. TinyRDM stands as a testament to innovation in the management of Redis databases. This modern, lightweight graphical user interface (GUI) client is designed for developers and database administrators who seek efficiency and simplicity in their Redis management tasks. Offering a blend of performance and user-friendly design across multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac, and Linux, TinyRDM, is making significant strides in the realm of database management tools. Let's explore the features and benefits that set TinyRDM apart from traditional Redis GUI clients. One of TinyRDM's most laudable features is its intuitive and streamlined user interface, which is designed to cater to both novices and experienced users alike. The interface is clean, well-organized, and supports both light and dark themes, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. This focus on user experience simplifies the navigation and management of Redis data, allowing for quick access to databases, efficient browsing of keys, and a seamless interaction with various Redis data types. Understanding the global nature of software development, TinyRDM has incorporated multi-language support, currently offering interfaces in English and simplified Chinese, with plans to expand to more languages. This comprehensive coverage ensures that users can effectively interact with and manipulate their Redis data directly from the GUI. Additionally, TinyRDM offers multiple data viewing formats, including JSON, CSV, and RAW, along with support for decompression, making it easier to work with compressed data. Conclusion: TinyRDM represents a significant advancement in Redis database management, offering a solution that is not only powerful and efficient but also user-friendly and accessible. By combining an intuitive interface with comprehensive language support and advanced connection management features, TinyRDM addresses the needs of a wide spectrum of users. Its commitment to enhancing data visualization and operations further solidifies its position as a tool of choice for developers and database administrators seeking to optimize their Redis management tasks. As TinyRDM continues to evolve and expand its features, it is poised to set new standards in the realm of database management tools. Number 6. ChatGPT Infinity, unleashing the full potential of conversational AI. ChatGPT Infinity stands at the forefront of conversational AI technology, transforming the way we interact with digital interfaces. Developed to extend the capabilities of the popular ChatGPT model, this add-on tool bridges ChatGPT with a plethora of external sources and services, allowing for enriched conversations and extended response generation. Its aim is to provide users with more comprehensive, informative, and contextually aware interactions, pushing the boundaries of what conversational AI can achieve. ChatGPT Infinity enhances the conversational experiences by allowing ChatGPT to search the web for relevant information while crafting responses. This capability enriches the content and depth of interactions, providing users with answers that are not only relevant, but also up-to-date with the latest information available on the internet. This feature is particularly beneficial for applications requiring ChatGPT to provide factual, expert-level insights or to engage in discussions on current topics. A key feature of ChatGPT Infinity is its ability to connect ChatGPT to external knowledge bases, databases, or APIs, thereby broadening the model's access to information. This integration allows ChatGPT to draw upon a vast repository of knowledge beyond its training data, enabling it to provide more accurate, detailed, and contextually relevant responses. Whether it's answering complex queries, providing expert advice, or offering detailed explanations, ChatGPT Infinity ensures that the AI's responses are informed and authoritative. Embracing the spirit of open-source development, ChatGPT Infinity invites contributions and modifications from the community. By enhancing ChatGPT's capabilities through web search integration, knowledge base access, and customization options, it offers users richer and more informative interactions. Despite the technical and security challenges, tool's open-source nature and the potential for community-driven enhancements make it a promising development in the AI landscape. As ChatGPT Infinity continues to evolve, it holds the promise of redefining the boundaries of AI-driven conversations, making them more engaging, informative, and tailored to individual needs. Number 7. Search with Lepton, revolutionizing information retrieval with AI. Search with Lepton, developed by Lepton AI, marks a significant advancement in the field of search technologies. By integrating the power of large language models, LLMs, like Jurassic 1 Jumbo and GPT-J, this open-source tool aims to transcend the limitations of traditional keyword-based search engines. It offers a semantically rich, contextually aware search experience that understands the intent behind queries, delivering insightful and relevant responses. At the core of Search with Lepton is its ability to provide a search experience that goes beyond mere keyword matching. Utilizing LLMs, it comprehends the nuances and contexts of user queries, enabling it to respond with results that are not just relevant but also meaningful. This capability is particularly beneficial in complex information retrieval scenarios, where the intent behind a search query may not be directly related to specific keywords. Search with Lepton stands out for its contextual understanding and personalization features. It takes into account the user's search history, preferences, and the broader context of their queries, making the search results more personalized and accurate. This approach not only enhances user satisfaction, but also significantly improves the efficiency of information retrieval, catering to the specific needs and interests of each user. Embracing the open-source model, Search with Lepton encourages collaboration and customization. Developers and researchers can contribute to its development, enhancing its capabilities and tailoring it to meet specific requirements. This collaborative effort ensures that Search with Lepton remains at the cutting edge of search technology, continuously evolving to address new challenges and opportunities in information retrieval. Conclusion: Search with Lepton represents a leap forward in the evolution of search technologies. Its ability to understand and respond to queries with a level of insight and relevance unmatched by traditional search engines has the potential to transform information retrieval. As it continues to develop, supported by the collaborative efforts of the open-source community, Search with Lepton stands poised to redefine our expectations of what a search tool can achieve, making the quest for knowledge more intuitive, efficient, and personalized. Number 8. Noi, the AI-powered browser experience. Noi, developed by LangGraph, is an innovative project that reimagines the web browsing experience by integrating artificial intelligence directly into the browser. This AI-powered browser is designed to assist users with various tasks, making browsing more efficient and interactive. From code completion and image enhancement to text summarization, Noi aims to be more than just a browser. It seeks to be an indispensable tool for both casual users and professionals. The cornerstone of Noi's appeal is its AI-powered assistant, which provides a range of features directly within the browser. Whether you're coding, researching, or just browsing, Noi offers intelligent assistants that can significantly boost your productivity. For developers, code completion and auto-refactoring features can streamline the coding process. For content creators and researchers, image enhancement and text summarization can provide new insights and improve content quality. Understanding that user needs vary, Noi supports plugins and extensions, allowing for a highly customizable browsing experience. This flexibility ensures that Noi can serve as a versatile tool, adaptable to different workflows and preferences. Whether you need a simple browsing tool or a complex aid for development tasks, Noi's customization options make it possible to tailor the browser to meet your specific requirements. Noi's development is community-driven, emphasizing collaboration and open-source principles. This approach ensures that the browser continues to evolve, with new features and improvements driven by user feedback and contributions. The community-driven model not only fosters innovation, but also ensures that Noi remains a tool that accurately reflects the needs and desires of its user base. Conclusion: Noi represents an ambitious step forward in the evolution of web browsers, offering a glimpse into a future where AI enhances every aspect of our online experience. Its AI-powered features promise to make browsing more efficient, interactive, and personalized. As the project matures and the community around it grows, Noi has the potential to become an essential tool for a wide range of users, from developers and content creators to everyday internet users seeking a smarter browsing experience. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of cutting-edge tools and innovations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology. Stay curious, and let's keep pushing the boundaries together.